Then he was doing, let us ask the question, his occupation, he's a comedian, an international. Were they aware whether he was shooting a movie, whether he was shooting a skit, whether he was doing his normal professional job, the way I do it as a lawyer? So really, this is a clear demonstration that the police have not understood the art of comedy. The police have not understood the fight that, on the bigger picture, what Eric is standing. Eric is bringing out the plight of 55 million Kenyans, about them not affording a meal, about them suffering because they can't get jobs, about the youth who are helpless. The other day, they arrested him that he was taking CVs to the head of state, because State House has turned out to be an unemployment bill. Today, he's raising very grave concerns for this country. And once we told the court that, the court agreed with us that Eric does not need to be treated the way the police are treating him, and he was released on a meager 5,000 shillings cash. Remember the amount used to arrest him, to feed him, to keep him in police cells, arraign him in court, bring him in 4 or 5 Subarus with armed policemen, getting the judiciary, the clerks, the processing, the paper of the charge sheet. In total, the state must have used the tune of 10 million shillings to arraign Eric in court, and he is released on cash bill of 5,000 shillings. We hope this will stop, and we are appealing to the police to be sensitive to the plight of people like Eric, who are now in the final phase of liberating this country. Remember, the Mau Maus fought for the liberation of this country. The young Turks, Raila Odinga, Paul Mwite, and the others fought for the second liberation of this country. The third liberation is now led by the artists who have moved away not only for commercial purposes to do their stuff, but also to fight for the justice and the emancipation of Kenyans. So therefore, we will be in court to hear the evidence they will get, because among the witnesses, I have seen there are 4 police officers. There is nobody who either was driving that was obstructed. There was nobody who was annoyed, because the police cannot be annoyed. It is their job to protect whenever Eric is doing. So we'll stand still with Eric and hope that justice will prevail. That is the position for now. Eric is doing what every knowledgeable lawyer will advise him to do. It is within the law. If Eric commits a crime that is known under the penal code, I'll tell him don't. Eric is exercising Article 37 of the Constitution, the right to demonstrate, the right to bring to the public what is ailing the country. Eric is bringing out what the Constitution safeguards. Eric, under Article 27, Article 22, he has a right to association. You cannot restrict that. That is a constitutional mandate. So, and that is why the government, that's why the courts are finding it very, very unpleasing that when somebody is exercising his right to exercise culture, to exercise artistic skills, potential of talent, when does exploitation of one's human potential or talent become a crime? So Eric has not transgressed any known penal law, any known constitutional prohibition. He is within his constitutional right to continue doing. And as his lawyer, I'm encouraging him that he is doing exactly what more than 10,000 schools in this country are doing to teach citizens, young Kenyans, to remove, to understand, so that they are knowledgeable. Eric, by virtue of what he's doing, he's trying to bring awareness to 55 million Kenyans.
Wakili, we have seen you presented some of the people who've been arrested during the
Eric, you have been charged with creating a disturbance contrary to Section 95(1)(b) of the Penal Code. And the particulars are, on the 3rd day of April 2023, at around 11:30 hours along Sanyaka Avenue in Nairobi, within Nairobi County, created disturbance in a manner likely to cause breach of the peace by erecting a barrier in the middle of the said road, and while standing on the said barrier, shouted, hence causing disturbance and inconvenience to road users. True or not true?
May I be placed on record? My name is Danstan Omari, together with my good friend Brian Mabea, for the accused person. We'll be seeking that the accused person be entered on a reasonable cash bail. The offense is charged of creating disturbance. And the particulars issue that he shouted. And at the trial, we'll be seeking to understand how many decibels of the voice, because that is a technical question under the NEMA Act, whether the voice was disturbing to anybody. Actually, the accused is only but a national hero fighting for the rights of those who should not have food or who can't afford. Criminalizing such an issue, the courts are being used to stop the rights of Article 37. The right to picket, the right to make noise, the right to associate. And if indeed it is a question of blocking a road, that's obstruction of a road, that could be a traffic offense. The suspect is an international brand for this country. Millions are getting income by virtue of his comedy. We are getting it wrong. We are losing as a country to criminalize comedy. Probably the police didn't understand that that is part of comedy. He was either shooting a show. And nowadays there's no licenses. The governor removed the licenses for shooting TikTok shows in town. We urge the comedian to be released on a personal bond, so that he can go back to create more jobs. For these young people here, to see a comedian being charged is a serious transgression to this country. You can release him on a personal bond or a cash bail of 1,000 shillings, so that he goes to do his job. The state has not objected today. And Your Honor, in light of what happened the other day, the antagonists, both from government and opposition, have called for truce. I've only said, Your Honor, that for the sake of, I'm not going to politics, for the sake of national healing, and bringing dialogue to every citizen. The face of the Republic is in this court. Happy. Your Honor, kindly use your discretion and release the comedian on his personal. He will not escape his own offenses. That's all. Thank you, the state. The state is now
Crown and the fact that the state does not object to the release of the accused person on loan of cash bail. Therefore, I set the cash bail at 5,000 shillings, matter to be mentioned for pre-trial before this court on the 13th of April.
Much obliged. Thank you very much. And I'm off the cuff. Off the cuff. Connect. Thank you very much. Ameshtakiwa kule ama amenyoa mtu nywele. We'll defend him. But for now, Eric, stop acting. Court.
Eric, this court is preserved for you.
I'm just coming.
Mambo.